welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show a Barbie kitchen set. It has so many surprises. Let's start. This is Barbie kitchen set. It has so many surprises, as I said. Let's unbox it. What are you waiting for? Here's the kitchen set. But wait, there are holes to try them. Let's try it. Ooh, it's a toaster. Cute. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Now, this is the stove. Let's try to press it. It's ice. I'm opening it. It's coming out. There's so many surprises than I thought. Wow! Let's open the second one. Oh, the door came out. The third one is a bit larger. And the fourth one is the refrigerator. Now let's see what is it. Let's open. Let's first take the toaster. Down, up, down, up. Let's take the beverages. One is orange juice. And the other one is peach juice. Let's take up the teacups, cute teacups. And its plate. Let's keep it on it. And the other teacup. And the plate. Let's take out the red glasses. And the last milk. Let's take the milk and keep it at the corner, and the toaster at the other corner. Keep
teacups in front of it, 2 beverages, we'll keep the glasses at the last. Oh, oops. Now let's take the second one. With 2 Barbie stickers on the shelf. Let's see what's inside. Wow, look at this. We have 4 shelves. Let's close them back. And look at the miniature cooking supplies. Now let's check the burners. Too much noise. Now let's check the oven. Is that it? Yes. We have a pizza and a cake cooking in there. Let's close it back too. And let's open the last drawer. Here's some place to keep some supplies to cook. Keep the pan on the stove and the bowl on the stove and the 2 cute spoons. We can hang it here. Oh, oops. Yes. Wow, so many things! So hard to figure. Oh, got it. We have some vegetables and fruits. Wow. We have a sink and a tap to wash the dirty dishes, and the tap even moves. We have a coffee grinder. Let's open the last cupboard. Let's check what's inside. We can keep cups and plates in this cupboard. The dining set. Oh, everything fell. Oh no. Small thing. And a beautiful plate. These are interesting, but I don't know what they are. So, we have 4 plates, 2 bowls, and 2 cups. we have mayonnaise, 2 sugar bottles, sweet.
Item, the refrigerator. Let's see what's up in this box. Let's open the glass and the ice cube. Let's keep one ice in the ice cube. Does it fit? I don't think it does. Well, now let's put it back near the refrigerator and keep the other ice beside it. So here's the refrigerator set. This is my Barbie kitchen set.
Okay guys, did you like my kitchen set? Say it in the comments. So, if you like my kitchen set, press the like button and the bell icon and don't forget to subscribe.